Vivo launched its new smartphone under X300 lineup in China called Vivo X300 E. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo X300 E features a 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 829 GPU. This smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo X300 E sports a Zeiss-powered triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX921 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7,200 mAh battery with 90 watts wired fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.52 by 74.33 by 7.79 millimeters, and it weighs around 199.5 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo X300 E has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 4,799 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage option is priced at 5,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 31st in sunlight orange, moonlight white, and gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo X300 E smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.